Allow yourself to find a comfortable seated position. Close your eyes and take in a nice, calming breath and exhale, letting all the tension from your body go. Take a moment just to focus on your breathing in this present moment. Allow yourself to visualize a glowing thread of light that connects you with everything around you. This thread connects you to people, nature, the entire universe. Visualize this energetic connection, sensing the harmonious energy flowing through these connections. Allow this feeling of unity to fill you with peace and wholeness. I'm going to go quiet for a brief moment so that you can remain here for a few breaths, absorbing this feeling of interconnectedness. Okay, slowly bring your awareness back to your breathing and your present moment in your current environment. When you feel ready, you can gently open your eyes. And I would like you to carry this feeling of unity and harmony into your interactions for the rest of the day.